I've been here for Steambrite San Antonio, USA for the first time, bringing you the Scout Stack, a brilliant design equipped with 90-gallon freshwater tank underneath, a see-through type of tank, which you'll be able to see any kind of contamination that might start building up and start occurring in the tank after so many periods of time of operating the system. Also, a beautiful panel in the front, all your gauges and controls from your indicator lights to your pressure gauge, to the vacuum gauge, temperature, chemical meters, pressure regulators, and of course all your tooling like your pressure output and bypass. This unit is truly beautiful. If you come with me to the side of it, you observe the 20 horsepower Kohler engine powering a 2000 psi 3 gallon per minute pump on the top, and also a Roots 4.5 blower creating about 386 CFM. Now to the right side you do have an expansion tank, which allows your freshwater pump only run if this tank gets empty. So that means what the system does, it will kind of have the 12 DC pump that we have on the right side of the system, kind of have it in an off position until it is needed. Unlike some of the units you see in the market, as you turn the machine on, your 12 DC pump constantly runs, which is going to result in either burning the pump and causing a replacement or what have you. So coming to the back side of the machine, you have a 75-gallon square tank with exterior filter housing in the front. This is a very unique design. Your filter could be removed, cleaned, and put back in without you having the trouble of removing it out of the tank and dealing with a lot of contamination. By having an exterior filter housing, you're allowing the tank to recover about 90% of its capacity before shutdown. Unlike some of the units you see in the market, which you have the filter inside of the tank to prevent any kind of water buildup or foam buildup going through the blower, which you end up only using about only maybe 50% of the tank. This tank, because of having an exterior filter housing, you'll be able to get 90% of it filled before shutdown. That means you can go longer hours, you can do bigger jobs, bigger square footages, or what have you. Now coming to the right side of the system, you have a very accessible, very easy to reach battery. In case you wake up in the morning, your battery is there, you don't need to go through a lot of trouble removing panels or anything. You can simply just go ahead and jump it. Your freshwater pump is right there, very accessible for you to do service it, do cleanups or what have you. And also, you do have this brilliant design of a check valve system, which prevents any kind of errors. For example, let's say you're going to be giving the machine water through the garden hose connect, and you don't want any water to go into your tank. Fine. Water travels off the heel into the pump, but your tank stays dry. Or the water pressure from the garden hose will not travel towards the 12 DC pump and damage it. Now at the same time, let's say you want to use your freshwater tank, and you turn the toggle switch on. You notice your green light comes on and indicates the system has pressure. So by having the freshwater tank water going through a series of check valve, you don't have water accidentally putting inside your van and flooding your van. Now this is pretty much a fast review of this machine. This unit is available at steambrite.com or steam-brite.com for a limited time for this type of special they're going to be running, and we hope to see one of these in your arsenal.